What is joint ownership with right of survivorship? Have you ever wondered what happens to property when one owner passes away? Joint ownership with the right of survivorship is a legal concept that addresses this very question. In this arrangement, two or more individuals share ownership of a property or asset, and it comes with some important features. First, each joint tenant has equal rights and interests in the property while they are alive. This means that all owners must have the same level of ownership and benefit from the property. If one owner decides to sell their share, they cannot do so without the consent of the other owners. Now here is where it gets interesting. When one joint tenant dies, their share automatically transfers to the surviving co-owners. This is known as the right of survivorship. Because of this right, the property does not have to go through probate, which can be a lengthy and costly process. This feature makes joint ownership with the right of survivorship a popular choice for many people. To establish this type of ownership, there are four key requirements that must be met. First, there is the unity of time. All owners must acquire the property at the same time. Next is the unity of title, meaning that all owners must receive ownership through the same deed or legal document. The third requirement is unity of interest, which states that each owner must have an equal share in the property. Finally, there is unity of possession, ensuring that all owners have the same right to use and possess the entire property. This form of ownership is often used among married couples, family members, or business partners. It provides a straightforward way to transfer property upon death without the hassle of probate. It is also important to compare this type of ownership with other forms, such as tenancy in common. In tenancy in common, co-owners can have unequal shares, and there is no right of survivorship. When one co-owner dies in this arrangement, their share passes according to their will or state intestacy laws. Understanding joint ownership with the right of survivorship is essential for anyone preparing for the bar exam. It highlights the legal requirements that ensure property automatically passes to the surviving co-owners upon death. This knowledge can be particularly useful when reviewing real property law for the exam.